Today we have an epic math adventure for you. Get ready to help Mr. Axiom find his way home through 5 challenging crossroads. Each one has a math puzzle that you need to solve. Are you ready? Let's jump in. Oh no. Mr. Axiom is lost in a mysterious land, and he desperately needs your help to get back home. Here's how it works. At each crossroads he'll see multiple paths. Each path has a mathematical equation. Only one equation will equal the correct number that leads him home. Your job? Solve the equations and help Mr. Axiom choose the right path. Sounds simple, right? Well, there might be a few surprises along the way. Grab a pencil and paper if you need it, and let's begin this adventure. Here we are at the first crossroads. Mr. Axiom has entered a dark, mysterious forest. He needs to find the path that leads to the number 20. There are 3 paths ahead: mountain, valley, and river. Which one should he take? Let's look at the equations. Alright, here are the 3 paths with their equations. Mountain path, 10 plus 5 plus 3. Valley path, 25 minus 5. And river path, 7 plus 8. Remember, we're looking for the path that equals 20. I'm going to give you 10 seconds to solve these. If you need more time, just pause the video right now. Ready? Here we go. 10 seconds on the clock, starting now. 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Okay, let's solve these together. Starting with mountain path, 10 plus 5 plus 3. 10 plus 5 is 15, and 15 plus 3 equals 18. That's not 20, so mountain is incorrect. Next, the valley path, 25 minus 5. That's pretty straightforward. 25 minus 5 equals 20. That's our answer. But let's check the last one just to be sure. River path, 7 plus 8 equals 15. Nope, that's not 20 either. So the correct answer is the valley path. Amazing. Valley is correct. 25 minus 5 equals 20. Mr. Axiom takes the valley path and makes it through the forest safely. Great job if you got that right. One puzzle down, for more to go. But don't worry, they're going to get more interesting. Let's move on. Mr. Axiom has made it through the forest, but now he's in a scorching hot desert. The sun is beating down and he sees 4 paths this time. He needs to find the path that equals 36 to reach the next checkpoint. This one's a bit trickier because we have more options. Let's see what we're working with. Here are our 4 desert paths. Dunes path, 6 times 5 plus 7. Cactus path, 40 minus 8 plus 4. Oasis path, 9 times 4. And lava path, 50 minus 14. We're looking for the path that equals 36. This time, you get 15 seconds because there are more equations to solve. Remember to follow the order of operations. Pause if you need more time. Ready? Let's start the timer. And time's up. Let's see the answers. Alright, let's solve these one by one. Starting with Dunes path, 6 times 5 plus 7. Remember order of operations, we multiply first. 6 times 5 is 30, plus 7 equals 37. That's not 36, so Dunes is wrong. Cactus path, 40 minus 8 plus 4. We work left to right with addition and subtraction. 40 minus 8 is 32, plus 4 equals 36. That's one correct answer. Oasis path, 9 times 4. That's simple, 9 times 4 equals 36. Wait, that's also correct. And finally, lava path, 50 minus 14. 50 minus 14 equals 36. Hold on, that's 3 correct answers. What's going on here? Well, we have 3 paths that all equal 36. Cactus, oasis, and lava. So which one should Mr. Axiom take? Wait, look. There's a scroll on the ground with a second C. It says, Mr. Axiom needs water. Wow. In a desert, where do you find water? At an oasis. So even though 3 answers were mathematically correct, the oasis is the right path because Mr. Axiom needs water to survive the desert. Clever. Let's keep going. Excellent work so far. Mr. Axiom has made it through the forest and the desert. Now he's climbing high into the mountains. This crossroads has 3 paths and he needs to find the one that equals 50. But here's the challenge. These equations involve order of operations, so you really need to pay attention. Let's see the paths. Here we go. Peak path, 8 times 7 minus 6. Cliff path, 12 plus 8 in parentheses divided by 2 plus 40. And ridge path, 100 minus 45, minus 3. These look tough, but you can do it. I'm giving you 20 seconds this time because order of operations can be tricky. Remember, parentheses first, then multiplication and division from left to right, then addition and subtraction from left to right. Pause if you need to. Ready? Timer starts now. Stop. Time to check your answers. Let's start with peak path, 8 times 7 minus 6. Order of operations tells us to multiply first. 8 times 7 equals 56, then we subtract 6. 56 minus 6 equals 50. That's one correct answer. Next, cliff path, 12 plus 8 in parentheses, divided by 2 plus 40. Parentheses first. 12 plus 8 is 20. Then we divide. 20 divided by 2 equals 10. Finally, 10 plus 40 equals 50. Wait, that's another correct answer. And ridge path, 100 minus 45, minus 3. Working left to right, 100 minus 45 is 55, minus 3 equals 52. That's not 50, so ridge is incorrect. But we still have two correct paths, peak and cliff. What do we do now? Both peak and cliff equal 50, so we need another clue. There's a sign here. It says, Mr. Axiom lives at high altitude. Okay, think about this. What has higher altitude, a peak or a cliff? A peak is the very top of a mountain, the highest point. So the answer is the peak path. Mr. Axiom climbs to the peak and he's almost home now. Just 2 more puzzles to go. Wait, he's getting close. Great job if you solved that one. And there it is. Thanks to your amazing math skills, Mr. Axiom has successfully navigated through the forest, survived the desert, and climbed the mountain. He's finally made it home. Look at him, he's so happy to be back. Let's review what we learned today. We practiced basic addition and subtraction in Puzzle 1. In Puzzle 2, we worked on order of operations with multiplication. And in Puzzle 3, we tackled more complex order of operations with parentheses. But here's the most important lesson. Sometimes in math and in life, there can be multiple correct answers. When that happens, you need to look at the context and use additional clues to find the best answer. So, how did you do? Did you solve all 3 puzzles correctly? Did you figure out the second clues? Let me know in the comments below. Right, I helped Mr. Axiom. If you got all 3 right, or tell me which one you found most challenging. If you enjoyed this math adventure, do me a huge favor. Smash that like button right now, it really helps the channel grow. And if you want more puzzles like this, make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new challenge. I've got tons more puzzles coming your way. Thanks so much for watching, and thanks for helping Mr. Axiom get home safely. I'll see you in the next video. Keep practicing your math, and remember, you're smarter than you think. Bye for now.